Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Delta Executor iOS. This powerful tool allows users to inject custom scripts directly into their Roblox games, unlocking new functionalities and experiences. Essentially, it acts as a bridge, enabling you to run code that modifies the game environment from your Apple device. We'll cover what it is, how it generally works, and important considerations for anyone interested in exploring its capabilities. Get ready to understand this intriguing aspect of mobile gaming. Installing applications like Delta Executor on iOS is not as straightforward as downloading from the App Store. You'll typically need to explore methods such as sideloading, which involves using a computer and specific tools to transfer the app. Alternatively, some users might look into third-party app stores. These processes often require several steps, including trusting developer profiles, and it's crucial to understand the security implications before proceeding with any unofficial installation method on your device. After successfully installing the executor, the next step involves injecting scripts into your Roblox game. This process usually starts with finding suitable scripts online, often shared by a community of users. The executor itself will provide a user-friendly interface, typically a text box or a file loader, where you can input or select your desired script. Once executed, the script's code will run within your Roblox session, applying its modifications or enhancements directly to your gameplay experience. It's vital to understand the significant risks associated with using tools like Delta Executor. Roblox's terms of service strictly prohibit such modifications, which can lead to permanent account bans. Furthermore, installing unofficial software and running unknown scripts can expose your device to security vulnerabilities, including malware. Always proceed with extreme caution, verify the source of any scripts, and consider using a secondary Roblox account to mitigate the risk to your primary one. Your digital safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.